So this is our creation.
Get
As
on
you
it if
can
you want
see,
to.
we can throw down. I don't know if we pretty, but we can throw down the attention.
And eat. Like we did
How does it taste?
It tastes really good. Here.
Really? Let's just rub it all on there. We got our cheesy eggs, our bacon, collard green, black eyed peas.
No, we don't have all that.
Alright, so we just wanted to show you what our creation looked like. So we got the salt, the poke salt, Wendy's pepper.
Wendy's. Get it, Wendy's.
It's all good in the hood. It's all good.
You make it work.
Exactly. Make it work. Make it work. Make it work. Make it work.
You should see what the camera woman is doing behind the camera. Make it work.
Make it work. Make it
I'm
work.
sure you can feel it through the camera.
Make it work. Make it work. Make it work. She's a little on the sick side. America, say get well soon. You hear them? They said it. Even the haters said it. You know why? 'Cause they admire you. Love me, hate me, say what you want about me. All the ladies and all the guys wanted to see gay me.
I put too much salt on it.
She fucked with my creation.
Damn it.
To a bitch.
Damn it.
Okay, well.
Not like mama's cooking.
Fuck you, bitch.
Let's put a camera on this bitch. What? Go back.
You see my eyes? Oh my god, Marie.
Too much salt.
You can taste the crystals on this shit.
I know. I'm sorry. You wanted salt? I got the salt.
Bitch, but I ain't trying to get diabetes either. Wait, can you get diabetes from it? Can you?
Do I care?
She's trying to kill me.
You
See
die
this?
anyway.
You see this? This is alright. I'm holding a casting call for a new best friend.
No, she's not. Don't come.
Because a friend I have currently is about to get fired.
Never.
So look on Craigslist, the newspaper. It will be in the Sun Sentinel and Miami Herald.
She's an idiot. Don't listen to her. Don't even come.
MySpace, Facebook, YouTube.
They're not coming.
I will.
They're not coming.
Very
You can
soon.
stop. It's all in her head.
Yo, I really did think I burnt my tongue with the salt.
Alright, my arm hurts. Here.
Is it off?
No. It's relaxing. They're relaxing right now.
Here's some bacon. It's so good, man.
She got bite marks on it. She's an idiot. I told you don't come to the casting call. You don't know what I put up with.
Look into my eye.